For months, astronomers told us not to worry about 3 Atlas. They said it would be nothing more than a spectacular flyby. A rare visitor from deep space that would skim past Mars, give scientists some interesting data, and then disappear forever into the dark. A harmless interstellar traveler. But space is never harmless without a reason. And now, new data from the James Webb Space Telescope has forced scientists to quietly change their tone. The numbers no longer match the early predictions. The object's path has shifted. Its behavior has changed. And behind closed doors, researchers are beginning to whisper something no one wanted to hear. 3 Atlas might hit Mars. This isn't just about a comet or a piece of space rock. This is about precision movement, repeated gas bursts that behave like controlled thrust, and an object that no longer looks natural. The deeper scientists analyze the data, the clearer it becomes. 3 Atlas is not drifting. It is adjusting. It is correcting. And it may be targeting the red planet. When 3 Atlas was first detected on July 1st, it appeared similar to earlier interstellar objects. A fast-moving blur surrounded by a glowing cloud of gas, traveling at an incredible speed of nearly 87 kilometers per second relative to the Sun. At that speed, it could cross the distance between Earth and the Moon in under 80 minutes. But speed wasn't the most disturbing detail. Its behavior was. As interstellar objects approach the inner solar system, they usually slow down slightly or break apart as solar heat increases. 3 Atlas did the opposite. It began to accelerate, slowly but consistently. Even more concerning, its path began to tighten, as if it were making small corrections. Its surrounding cloud, known as the coma, doubled in brightness within weeks. Spectral readings showed extreme carbon dioxide outgassing and ultraviolet energy spikes far beyond anything seen in normal comets. This was not random melting. Then James Webb detected something that changed everything. The gas releases were rhythmic. Not chaotic bursts caused by uneven heating, but perfectly timed pulses occurring every 17 minutes. Each pulse pushed the object slightly, acting like a tiny engine. Together, these pulses added up to measurable course adjustments. In simple terms, 3 Atlas appeared to be using its own gas as micro-thrusters. As Webb, Gemini South, and NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory continued tracking the object, new orbital models told a terrifying story. What was once considered a safe flyby had narrowed to a close approach of just 1.95 million kilometers from Mars. On a cosmic scale, that is nothing. Simulations showed that even a small increase in speed, just a fraction of what those gas pulses could produce, would be enough to turn that near miss into a direct collision. One small push. One well-timed burst. And Mars becomes the target. Natural objects don't behave this way. Yet the gas pulses were perfectly aligned with Mars' orbital plane. Scientists weren't just watching an object move anymore. They were watching it aim. Between September 19 and September 30, any single outburst could push 3 Atlas onto a collision path. This concern is no longer limited to Internet theorists. Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb and his team published a paper suggesting 3 Atlas may be engineered. Radar reflections from the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter and Earth-based antennas showed metallic echoes instead of the soft, icy signatures expected from a comet. Some amateur astronomers even captured strange images. Thin green beams extending from the object, converging toward Mars and pulsing in sync with the gas bursts. This was no longer normal behavior. Loeb proposed a chilling possibility. 3 Atlas could be a probe. And Mars might be its destination. If it impacts, the consequences would be extreme. With an estimated mass of 10 billion tons and a relative speed of 57 kilometers per second, the impact would release energy equal to millions of megatons. The resulting crater could stretch 60 kilometers wide and send debris into orbit, some of which could eventually reach Earth. But the damage wouldn't stop at rock and fire. Mars is filled with scientific instruments. Rovers. Orbiters. Decades of data searching for ancient life. An impact would wipe out much of that work instantly. Worse still, it could expose deep subsurface layers never meant to be opened. Mars may still harbor microbial life beneath its frozen surface. If 3 Atlas carries organic material or engineered compounds, the collision could cause planetary contamination on a scale humanity has never faced. Some scientists fear this wouldn't be destruction at all. It would be delivery. James Webb's final deep scans added more fuel to the fire. Spectral data revealed synthetic polymers mixed with natural gases, materials resembling plastics and carbon nanotubes. These do not form naturally in space. Isotopic ratios also failed to match anything in our solar system. 3 Atlas contains materials that should not exist. As panic quietly spread, space agencies reduced public updates. Press briefings stopped. Mars rover data streams showed unexplained gaps. Behind the scenes, emergency planetary defense meetings began. Then a leaked internal document revealed a chilling phrase. Impact protocol initiated. No one knows exactly what that means. Some believe encrypted signals were sent to Mars-based systems, not to stop 3 Atlas, but to prepare for its arrival. If the object is intelligent, those signals may have confirmed something dangerous. That we are aware. Cryptographers later analyzed the object's trajectory itself. When converted into binary data, the timing and angles form structured patterns. Atomic numbers. Prime number sequences. The basic building blocks of matter and machines. The movement itself may be the message. As the projected impact path narrowed, scientists noticed something strange. The trajectory pointed toward Elysium Planitia, a region of Mars known for strange symmetrical features. At its center lies a perfectly circular basin with no clear origin. Even more unsettling, this region emits faint infrared pulses when exposed to sunlight. A coincidence? Or a beacon? Then came the final shock. James Webb detected a shadow trailing behind 3 Atlas. Not debris. Not gas. Something invisible to radar and heat sensors, moving in perfect alignment at a fixed distance. Something was following it. As if 3 Atlas were not alone. As the final alignment approached, astronomers noticed that the timing matched ancient planetary resonance dates recorded by early civilizations. The same alignments associated with rare cosmic events throughout history. This was not random timing. And then, something unbelievable happened on Mars itself. Orbital sensors detected unusual gas releases from beneath the surface near Cerberus fossae. Seismic readings spiked. Subsurface temperatures rose. Most chilling of all, Mars emitted a weak magnetic pulse repeating every 17 minutes. The same rhythm as 3 Atlas. It was as if the planet was responding. In the final days, infrared scans revealed ancient subsurface heat signatures forming recognizable shapes. Patterns resembling spirals and eyes. Symbols matching ancient carvings found on Earth. Mars wasn't just reacting. It was remembering. As 3 Atlas reached its final approach, Webb detected molecular chains in its vapor trail resembling RNA-like structures. Not life as we know it, but information designed to replicate and interact. Life as code. As signal. As meaning. Mars, Earth, and the Sun aligned perfectly. The same alignment reflected in ancient monuments built thousands of years ago. This was not an accident. 3 Atlas did not arrive randomly. It performed. It aligned. It activated something. Mars may be the stage, but Earth is watching. And now we must face the possibility that this event was never about impact. It was about awakening. Because 3 Atlas didn't come to destroy Mars. It came for our attention. And now that it has it, the real question is no longer what it is. The question is what happens next.